Hey guys, this is a very interesting question. 4 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 divided by 4 times 4. 4 to the power of 2 equals 4 times 4 equals 16, right? 16 minus 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 divided by 4 times 4, right? Now 16 minus 4 squared equals 16, right? Plus 4 divided by 4 times 4. Now 16 minus 16 equals 0 plus 4 divided by 4 times 4. Now 0 plus 4 equals 4 divided by 4 times 4. Now 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times 4 and 1 times 4 equals 4. But this is wrong. Why? Because exponent must be done before addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. After the exponent, multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Right? Now let's solve this again. Exponent first, right? 2 squared means 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16. So 16 minus 4 squared plus 4 divided by 4 times 4, right? Now 16 minus 4 squared means 16 plus 4 divided by 4 times 4. Now divide first, right? 16 minus 16 plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times 4. Now multiply first. 16 minus 16 plus 1 times 4 equals 4. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 16 minus 16 equals 0 plus 4 and 0 plus 4 equals 4.